am Anil Jennifer doing BPT third year in SNS College of Physiotherapy. Today I am here to speak about Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. It is a multinational pharmaceutical company based on Hyderabad with US headquarters in East Brunswick, New Jersey. The company was founded by Kalamanji Reddy, who previously worked in Mentor Institute Indian Drugs and Pharmaceutical Limited. Dr. Reddy manufactures a market-wide range of pharmaceutical in India and overseas. The company produces over 190 medications, 60 active pharmaceutical ingredients for drug manufacture, diagnostic kits, critical care and biotechnology. Thank you. Dr. Reddy's began a supplier to Indian drug manufacturers, but it soon started exporting to less regulated markets that had the advantage of not having spent time and money on manufacturing plant that would gain approval from a drug licensing body such as US Food and Drug Administration. By early 1990s, the expanded scale and profitability from these unregulated markets enabled the company to begin focusing on getting approval from drug regulators. Thank you.
Dr. launched in 1984, producing active pharmaceutical ingredients. In 1986, Reddy started operations on branded formulations. Within a year, Reddy's had launched Norilet. In a year, Reddy's had launched Norilet, the company's first recognized brand in India. Soon, Dr. Reddy's obtained another success with Omes, its branded omeprazole gastrointestinal ulcer and reflux esophagitis medication, launched at half the price of other brands on Indian market at that time. Within a year, Reddy's became the first Indian company to export the active ingredients for pharmaceutical to Europe. In 1987, Reddy's started to transform itself from a supplier of pharmaceutical ingredients to other manufacturers into manufacturer of pharmaceutical products. In 1999, Reddy's joined the Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance as a founding member in an effort to promote the development of generic drugs in India.
Expansion. The company first international move took it to Russia in 1992 that Dr. Reddy formed a joint venture in the country discussed pharmaceutical products divide. They pulled out in 1995 accusation of the scandals involving a significant material loss due to the activities of the Marcus branch of the Reddy Lopes with the help of the women's chief Ahmed. Reddy shoots the joint venturers of the criminal in friendly system group in the 1993. Reddy entered into the joint venturers in the Middle East and create two formulations units. That is the Russia. Reddy exported bulk drugs of this formulations units, which is the converted them it's the finished products. In 1994, Reddy started renting the US generic material by the building start of the article manufacturing facilities. New drugs discovery. The path into the new drugs discovery involved the targeting specialty generalized products in the Western markets to create the foundations for the drugs discovery. Development of the facilities generating was the important steps of the company. Growing interest in the development the new chemical enters. The elements involved in the creating a specific generic such as the innovations of the laboratory, developing the compound and sending the slows return to the markets are also stages in the development of the new specialty drugs. Starting with specialty generalized allowed the company to gain experience with those.
Reddy's invested heavily in establishing R&D labs and is only Indian company to have significant R&D having undertaken over us. Dr. Reddy's Research Foundation was established in 1992 and in order to do research in the area of new drugs discovery. At first, the foundation drug research started in order to do research in the area of new drugs discovery. At first, the foundation drug research started focus has since changed in innovation R&D, hearing new scientists, especially Indian students studying abroad on doctoral and postdoctoral course. In 20s, the foundation set up an American laboratory in Atlanta dedicated to discovery and design of novel therapeutics. The laboratory is called Reddy's US Therapeutic Inc.
and its main aim is the discovery of next generation drugs using genomics and progenomics. The Reddy's research thus focused on a large area anti-cancer, anti-diabetes, cardiovascular, and anti-infection drugs.